guys, as you see this bad boy, I'm going to be showing the strategy using BTC because it's a Saturday and BTC is open. I want to share this in the live, like our live trading. I'm not going to enter trade, I'm not going to execute because I don't trade on Saturdays, but I use BTC just to do back testing. So the concept that I've been ignoring is liquidity. Let me show you. As you see, I've been back testing it lately. Let me first clear this bad boy. Let me clear it out. Alright, the concept goes like this. I don't want to make this video too long, but the concept goes like this. Let's say this is BTC and BTC has reached to its demand zone, and this is a daily demand zone right here. BTC has reached the demand zone and it rejected. It formed a rejection. I'm not going to do everything. I just want to make it real quick. So you drop, as you do your top-down analysis, you drop down to the time frames. We know that BTC is gonna buy, right? So we target the next high. That will be our target TP. So what do we do next? We drop down to the 1 hour time frame to refine our entries. And if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure you're gonna be trading. This structure right here. This is the structure you're gonna be trading. So what do you do at this case? What we wanna do is, this is what we are going to do. As you see in the 1 hour time frame, you can't see any POI, so we shall drop further to the 15 minutes time frame to refine this to show it to see it clearly. So as you see this bad boy in the 15 minutes, it's now clear. In the 1 hour time frame, you have not seen any POI, so we refine the chart to the 15 minutes so we could see all the retracements, because the retracements are the ones that help us to scale in entries. As you see here, the market ended here, it rebounded, and BTC is now in buys. So we want to look for buys. So what are we going to do? As we see here, this high, this could be the 1 hour high that was broken before, and this could tell us the change of character or the market structure shift. So what do we want to see? We want to see something like a break, a retest to the demand zone, then we enter. So when you look here, a demand zone or an order block, we are seeing that there is a fair value gap and there is an order block, but price did not come to the order block, but it rebounded from this fair value gap, as you see here. To me, again, according to me, an order block with a fair value gap, mostly I take a fair value gap like a liquidation zone. Like price will come, rebound a little bit, then it comes back for the liquidity, because I trust order blocks than the fair value gaps. So this is what I expect, and this is the concept I have been missing out. I will take this as liquidity. Last week I could just buy from here, I end up being taken through liquidity. So this is the liquidity I take. I'm waiting for the market to come back right here, take out this liquidity, then to rebound. So if you are also a scalper, you could trade this small move. Let me show you how we could do it. You drop down to the 5 minutes to see this move, how this move moves, because you're seeing nothing from the 15 minutes from this small move. But when you go to the 5 minutes before that, we shall see here, you refine it further. The price came, this was a change of character right here. You could call it a change of character in the 15 minutes right here. This is for the scalpers, but the zone to push the price should be this zone. So it was a change of character right here. So what do we do? There is a fair value gap, but price did not reach that far. It reached somewhere here. Price turned over right here. So for the scalpers, you can enter sales because it's a short term trend like the sales. don't expect sales to come all over this supply zone, right? It's a short-term trend, and also the market is about to approach our POI. So you drop down to the 5 minutes to scale it more. Like you have to scale it more right here. You see at the 5 minutes price reached here, it rebounded, and this is a key level right here. We are expecting price to come take out this liquidity. So scalpers could just, after this price coming to this zone, it gave us the signs that it's going to rebound, right? This is what you could do. You could drop to the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame, come to this zone, price came to this zone, it took out this liquidity right here. Alright, if you're a scalper, as I was saying, you could trade this move too. When you drop down to the 1 minute, you will see this taking of liquidity. So in my new entry model, I will only enter when the price gets to my POI. When it takes liquidity in the 1 minute, I'll execute. So as you see here, price took out this liquidity. This was the first touch right here, but this first touch you cannot enter, although there was liquidity taken right here, but you could be patient because I don't trust one touch from the POI. There should be two touches like a QM pattern. So this was also liquidity taken out. First touch, this first touch, it gave us it did not bring the aggressive candles right here, as you see right here. Those candles next after taking out liquidity, they were not aggressive. So what do? We wait for either this high to also be taken or this bad boy to do something else. As you see here, it came, it took out this liquidity, it rebounded back to our zone, and after taking out liquidity, it brought an aggressive candle right here. This was an aggressive candle. So as a scalper, what do you do right here? After bringing this aggressive candle, what you could do, you just sell from here. You put stop loss rate like right here, not a bad one. Then you target the 15 minutes low or high, and this could be the 15 minutes low for the scalpers, right? So for the scalpers, if you are in, you could take this ones to 4. It's a good trade, and you are targeting this low, and this is a 15 minutes low, as you see right here. This is a 15 minutes low where we are expecting price to take out this liquidity. So you could be now eating money. That's it. I've been ignoring liquidity, but before market takes out liquidity, it will never move. Liquidity is like the flow of the market. Alright, I'm out.